Students, so in the previous classes we studied about the deduction of the gas laws from kinetic gas equation. So kinetic gas equation is the PV is equals to 1 by 3 m n u square. So from that equation we can derive, deduction means we can derive the Boyle's law, that is V is proportional to 1 by P, and also we derive the Charles law, that is V is proportional to the T. So now today we are going to learn about the deduction of the Graham's law of diffusion from kinetic gas equation. Graham's law of diffusion from kinetic gas equation. So already we have to know Graham's law of diffusion. Graham's law of diffusion means the rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of molecular weight or square root of vapor density or square root of density. So that is the meaning about the Graham's law of diffusion. So rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of density of the gas or molecular weight of the gas or vapor density of the gas. So this is the Graham's law. So this Graham's law, how we can derive from kinetic gas equation? Let us see. So Graham's law. So from kinetic gas equation, already we have to know kinetic gas equation is PV is equals to 1 by 3 m n u square, where here the u is the RMS velocity. So from this equation, on simplification, u square is equals to 3 PV by m into n. Let mn is equals to capital M. This capital M is the molecular weight of gas. Okay, students. Let small m into n is equals to capital M. So this can be substituted in the here. Then the equation is changes as u square is equals to 3 PV by, in place of mn we should substitute the capital M. So already we have to know density formula. D is equals to m by V. From this 1 by D is equals to V by m. Density is equals to mass by volume. So 1 by D means reverse, volume by mass. So here V by m, in this equation V by m will be present. V by m means here we are substitute the 1 by D. Then the equation changes to u square is equals to 3p, in place of V by m we should substitute the 1 by D. So 3p by D. So when we are remove the square, then u is equals to under root 3p by t. U is equals to under root 3p by d. Then let u is the RMS velocity of gas. In place of RMS velocity, we should take the rate of diffusion small r. So in place of u, we should substitute the rate of diffusion r. Then r is equals to under root 3p by d. So let we consider the at constant pressure. Let observe this equation. Here the pressure is the constant and 3 number is also constant. So 3 and p both are the constant. So r is equals to constant into remaining is the 1 by root d. So already we have to know when we are remove the constant and equal symbol, then we are get the proportionality symbol. So r is proportional to 1 by root t. So this is the our Graham's law. Our Graham's law of diffusion. It can be derived from where? Kinetic gas equation, that is the PV is equals to 1 by 3 mn u square. So from this equation, finally we can derive the rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of density of the gas. This is the one form of the Graham's law. So this is the deduction of Graham's law from kinetic gas equation. Next we see the Dalton's law of partial pressure. How we can derive this Dalton's law of partial pressure from kinetic gas equation. Next is the Dalton's law of partial pressure is derived from kinetic gas equation. Before that we have to know the Dalton's law. Already we have to know the meaning of the Dalton's law is the total pressure of a mixture of gas is equals to sum of the partial pressure of the each gas. Simply that is called as a Dalton's law of partial pressure. What is that, students? Total pressure is equals to sum of the partial pressure of the each gas which is present in a mixture. That is the Dalton's law. So here this Dalton's law, how we can derive from kinetic gas equation? Let us see. So first consider any two gases of equal volume. Consider any two gases of equal volume at different pressure and different RMS velocities. What is that, student? The condition is consider any two gases of equal volume. Consider any two gases of equal volume at different pressure and different RMS velocities. From kinetic gas equation, the pressure of the gas. Kinetic gas equation means already we have to know that is the PV is equals to 1 by 3 m n u square. From this kinetic gas equation, the pressure, how we can write the pressure? P is equals to 1 by 3 m n u square. This V goes to the denominator. Okay, students. So from kinetic gas equation, the pressure of the gas P is equals to 1 by 3 m n u square by V. Let it is consider for first gas. Then that is written as a P1 is equals to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square divided by V. For first gas, the pressure P1 is equals to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square by V. Similarly, same pressure if it is applicable to second gas which is present in a mixture, then same P2 is equals to 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square by V. So this is the P1 and P2 for first and second gas pressure value. Then if these two gases is taken in same measure. Okay, students, what is that? Two gases is taken in a same vessel. Then the total pressure. Of the mixture is P total V is equals to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square plus 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square. Okay, students, if the two gases is taken in a same measure, then the total pressure P total pressure into volume is equals to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square plus 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square. From this equation, P total is equals to this V goes to the denominator. So P total is equals to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square by V plus 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square by V. Let us observe this equation, students. 1 by 3 m1 u1 square by V, that is equals to P1. Then 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square by V, this is also equals to 2 means P2. Then the equation is changes. P total is equals to P1 plus P2. So this is our Dalton's law. This is our Dalton's law. What is that? The total pressure is equals to sum of the partial pressure. So P total is equals to P1 plus P2. So this is the Dalton's law, can be derived from kinetic gas equation. So this is the deduction of Dalton's law from kinetic gas equation. How we can derive the Dalton's law means this is the way. Okay students. So this is the deduction of the gas laws from kinetic gas equation. Here we can deduce, we can derive mainly 4 gas laws. On that, one is the Boyle's law, P is proportional to 1 by P. Second one is the Charles law, V is proportional to the T. Next, Graham's law, R is proportional to 1 by root D. Next, Dalton's law, P total is equals to P1 plus P2. So this is the method way is used to deduce the gas laws from kinetic gas equation.